Welcome to Bright Quiz.
I am excited about our upcoming vacation. Can you pass the salt to me, please? We went to the movie on Friday night. She is allergic to cats. The book is on the shelf. The teacher is proud of her students. John excels in mathematics. I'm not interested in that new TV show. We celebrated the holiday with a big feast. They live in a beautiful house.
Thank you. And don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and as always, thank you for being a part of the Bright Quiz community. See you in the next video.